Assalamu alaikum KG2. I am Bushra Sanjua, your English teacher, and today I have brought a new lesson for your reading, and it's on page number 13. Let's start. You can see on the page that there are 3-letter words, and in between of all words you can see the sound of eh. You can see that E is in between of all the words, and they are 3-letter words. Let's start reading. P, eh, pen. P, eh, pen. P, eh, t, pet. P, eh, t, pet. Eh, t, net. Eh, t, net. T, eh, ten. T, eh, ten. B, eh, t, bet. B, eh, t, bet. B, eh, g, beg. B, eh, g, beg. H, eh, hen. H, eh, hen. G, eh, t, get. G, eh, t, get. That's all for today. You have to repeat it and read it again and again, and try to differentiate between E and A sound. Okay, if you have any problem, you can contact me on my email address. See you soon.